Alright, I'm going to go over some things that might help your vehicle stop smoking so much. If it's having some smoke issues, if it's burning oil. I'm going to show you real fast. This truck here, it did smoke a decent amount when I first got it. So it is a little cold out, so you'll have some fog coming out of the exhaust. I'm running this truck a touch rich to help it running, since it's an older carbureted motor. But what I did to get this vehicle to quit smoking, I ran this oil here, Brad Penn. Now, so that you understand, Brad Penn is a paraffin-based oil. It's basically liquid wax, so it's not going to burn like an ash-based oil where it gets all smoky if your motor's burning oil. And also, at first, I ran this liquid moly engine treatment. Basically helps plate the motor with to help get a better ring seal. And then here recently I put the Ceratec. It plates the motor with a ceramic plating to help seal it up. So those are a few things that I did to help plate it up, to help it to stop smoking. This liquid moly, it uses, this here literally uses moly to help with the motor and everything, to help seal up the rings and everything. But this Ceratec is supposed to be better. Now, this 50 weight, that's something I use in my race car. Right now in the truck I have a 0.30 weight for the winter. Then when it warms up in the spring and the summer, I run a 20/50 weight. So if you can imagine, one thing that's going to help it stop smoking so much if your vehicle burns oil, if you run a paraffin based oil, it's just like a wax candle in your house. You don't see it putting off smoke. That wax doesn't really put off smoke. So with a paraffin based oil, it's basically a liquid wax. It might help clear up your vehicle's burning a little oil, being smoky. It worked for me. As you can see around the vehicle, you don't see any smoke. And this is literally an old farm truck that I had that was putting off smoke. Don't see any smoke coming from anywhere. So just a suggestion, if you're willing to try out these few things, it might help your vehicle to stop smoking. I know it worked for me. So, okay everyone, thank you. Please subscribe, comment, and like, and support the channel. Thank you.